will be exactly the same. Now, when you put these joints together, please come here. Look at this. Please, look at this. There is no joints at all. Invisible. Everyone, today we were doing this awesome wallpaper mural. It came with 5 different pieces, 5 different liners, and we put them all together to the wall, and we did joints. And this video, it will be focused exactly on the joints, because as I told you already, wallpaper, it can be very nice, but if joints were not done well, entire wallpaper looks very bad. So we will go step by step. We will put all 5 pieces together to the wall, and then we will focus on the joints. So stay with me and I will take you through the entire process. As you can see, we have finished and it looks very nice. So if you want to achieve wallpaper like this, installation like this is the joint, and it's not visible from there. You have to come really close, and even then it's not noticeable. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay with me, and please subscribe our channel, because in the future we're gonna bring you some more projects like this. Let's get it on. All layers together at the wall, we have left 20 millimeters overlap on each panel, and now we're gonna cut them together. And there is the secret to get seamless joints. So the most important thing about the wallpaper mural is actually to have seamless joints. Wallpaper can be very nice, photo can be, or design can be very nice, but if these joints are not well done, then everything looks bad. So now we're gonna focus on cutting them together and removing upper and lower liner. I'll show you how to do that now. Millimeters on this side and 20 millimeters of same design on this side. We're gonna put them together, and we're gonna put the liner exactly in the middle. So we cut 10 millimeters at this side and 10 millimeters at this side as well. So this is how we do. Checking. So now we will pull this side down, and we will remove the upper side of the liner, and now we will do the same from the lower side. As you can see, once we remove this, it has been cut at the same line. So if you made a move with the knife anywhere at this side, the same move has been done. The lower part and the line, it will be exactly the same. Now, when you put these joints together, please come here. Look at this. Please, look at this. There is no joints at all. invisible. So this is the most important part of wallpaper mural. If you put bad joints, entire mural, entire photo and design will look very bad. So now I will do the same process for another 3 joints that I have, and I will show you exactly how it looks like when everything has been done. Look at this, please. I'll put some more glue here, and please come closer. Now follow me, please. This is the joint. Hop. Nothing. All good, huh? Let's get it on to the other side.